Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the go and needs to keep your beauty essentials organized and accessible, today's review is definitely going to pique your interest. I'm taking a closer look at the SHANY Makeup Artist Soft Rolling Trolley Cosmetics Case, a beauty travel companion that promises to make your life a little easier. It's a versatile, stylish, and durable rolling makeup bag that's packed with features, and I'm here to see if it really lives up to the hype. This soft rolling trolley bag stands at 28 inches tall and can expand up to 38 inches with the handle, giving you plenty of space to store all your beauty tools. Whether you're a professional makeup artist, a nail tech, or just someone who loves to keep their makeup collection in order, this case is designed with you in mind. The exterior is made from water-resistant materials, so it can handle a bit of weather on the go, while the interior boasts dust and liquid-proof trays that keep your cosmetics safe and tidy. What I love about this bag is the multi-compartment design. Inside, you'll find removable drawers, organizer bins for brushes, powders, sprays, and a TSA-approved mesh bag for your essentials. Plus, the trolley comes with a shoulder strap for easy carrying when you need to take it out of the rolling position. Now, let's talk about how this bag performs in the real world. First off, I've been testing it for a few weeks, and I can say that it really is practical. It's easy to pull along thanks to the L-shaped handle, and it holds everything in place, from makeup brushes to foundation bottles. The wheels glide smoothly even when fully packed, and that's a huge win when you're carrying heavy loads of makeup. As for daily use, I love how each compartment has a specific purpose. There's no digging around to find what you need. The drawers are perfect for keeping everything from skincare to lipsticks in their place, and I appreciate how each drawer is sturdy and easy to open. Plus, the clear trays and organizers make it easy to spot exactly what I need without fumbling through everything. On the flip side, I do have to mention that the size of this bag might be too large for some people who don't need that much space. If you're just starting your makeup collection, this could be an overkill. But for those who have a lot of products or need something to keep their tools organized for work, the size is actually a plus. Just keep in mind, it might be a bit bulky to store when it's not in use. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this trolley makeup case is definitely worth the investment if you're a professional or someone who travels often with a lot of beauty products. The quality of the materials, the thoughtful design, and the practicality of the bag justify its price. It's durable, it's stylish, and it can withstand a lot of wear and tear. Plus, the fact that it's designed by professional makeup artists in the USA speaks volumes about its functionality. However, if you're looking for something more compact and budget-friendly, there are alternatives out there that can do the job just fine. You won't get the same high-end feel, but something like a smaller makeup organizer could work if you don't need all the extra space. But for those who need the full experience, this SHANY bag is definitely a top contender. In terms of build quality, the weatherproof fabric is solid, and I can see this bag lasting for a long time with proper care. The drawers don't feel flimsy, and the zippers are robust, so I don't worry about them breaking after multiple uses. The only thing I'd recommend is keeping it clean and making sure the fabric stays dry to avoid any water damage. I didn't need to contact customer support personally, but SHANY has a great reputation in the industry, so I'd expect them to be responsive if any issues arose. If you're in the market for a stylish, functional, and durable makeup bag that can hold all your essentials and more, this SHANY rolling trolley might just be what you need. It's a solid product that lives up to its promise and would make a fantastic gift for a makeup lover in your life. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.